In this video, you will learn how you can create websites like these with beautiful scroll-based animation, all with AI. This was built entirely with Lovable, but it probably will work the same way with any AI tools that you're using. We have beautiful navbar here with the animation here. It is obviously everything responsive for mobile as well. So as you can see, it works very seamlessly on all devices. And the best part, I didn't do any of it, and I built the whole thing in 10 minutes, and I will do it live with you today, showing you how you can do the same thing with AI, because the era of Framer or Webflow is already past in the past. And today you can build all beautiful websites, all beautiful landing pages, apps, and everything like that completely with just one tool, which is Lovable and Base44, Cursor, whatever tool you're using, you can build websites like these. And obviously a lot of these are just drafts of AI, but as you can see, all of these as well built with AI, and you can do the same, which I will show you today. I've been building websites for the past 10 years. I've built a whole library of AI websites using Lovable, and I'm not just saying that, but I actually did the job, and I know how to build websites that look like these with AI. And by the end of this video, you will know how you can create websites like that. And I will also give you all the prompts you will need to replicate this website, this animation. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. And the first thing to do before you can actually add that scroll animation, you need to have an actual website ready with AI. For that, we're going to build a simple website using a few prompt techniques that I will share with you. And the first one will be using a screenshot from Dribbble. So Dribbble is a big gallery of designs. The only downside, it's just the screenshots. It is not live website, but it has a big collection of inspiration that you can take. And sometimes it works well, sometimes it doesn't. But I will show you the second way, which is 100% guarantee to build actual beautiful website. But let's start from Dribbble and let's find a hero section inspiration that we like. So it doesn't have to be anything unique. It's just we're looking at typography, because typography is the most important thing in any website. So like find a typography style that you like, the composition, the structure that you like. So something that, because if you don't ask AI to build something specific, 10 out of 10 times it will build the result that looks like this, which is not exactly what you're looking for. But if you, as you will see, give it a specific example of what you're looking for, let's say this prompt, this one, I like this, so I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this, and not the whole thing, but I'd like to take a screenshot just of the text, as you can see here what I did. And the best thing you can do on Dribbble to find the best example, you can select this past month, and then you can click on web design, which you already did, or this past month. So this looks pretty good to me, and let's just go with that. So we're gonna say, let's open a new Lovable file just for building our UI, and I'm gonna say build out this. We have first need idea for our website, so let's say a brief of our client is to build a website AI builder. This is content structure for hero section. I like how the content positioned here, and let's just send the screenshot, and let's say build just the hero section background. And what I basically said is just to make background dark, because if you don't ask that, this is the kind of background that you will receive, which is not good. But if you ask it to make it dark, you will see what it creates in a few minutes. So this is the initial result we've got. As you can see, it's lacking navbar and lacking the whole sections, but this is a great start. So the second part will bring you 100% designs like these, and also like this, is using Figma Community. The best part about Figma Community, it does not just let you copy the fonts and stuff like that. It lets you to copy the whole thing with the properties, the colors, the images. So we're going to say landing page and find a landing page that looks great. There's a lot of different websites. You can type specific style like linear. So let's say landing page. Linear landing page. You can find a lot of different beautiful stuff here. So let's say I want to take this one, and then you can use plugin called Figma to Code and just give the inspiration to Figma using this design. This is 100% free, all of these plugins that I'm sharing with you. But for now, let's get some nice designs that we can add to our site. So I'm just gonna copy this style. I'm just gonna make a duplicate, put it here, get rid of these images. I just want really the text here. So I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna group this whole thing, and I'm gonna use plugin Figma to code. I'm gonna use Tailwind. I'm gonna say, so for the prompts, we're gonna say build the rest of the website, and I'm also add the code. Let's just send. And so yeah, the prompt would be sections needed, which would be features, benefits, about us, testimonials, and CTA. This way, AI understands what kind of sections I need. And also, I've added the code that we just copied from Figma. And I also asked to add a navbar. So let's wait and see what it comes back with. Now let's get to the most interesting part of this video, is adding the scroll effect. And first we'll need to find a video for that. So we're going to go to any website that has free videos, and I'm just going to type 3D abstract, or if you wanted something technology, you can type 3D robotic or something like that, and just find a video here. You can select free ones so you don't have to pay for them. If you have any other websites that have better videos, feel free to use that. The main thing is that it is just have to be video with some dark background so that the content is readable, and we're just gonna find that. So I found one that looks like this, and we're just gonna paste that, and there is a simple prompt that I will share with you that you can add to your website. So the only thing that I have to do here is just drag it into our project. So since I'm doing it with Lovable, I'm just gonna drag it straight into here. And yeah, with the rest of the website looks like this, but we're gonna do one more prompt to make it look even better. So I'm gonna say add this video. There is a different prompt which looks like this. I will have this in the description so you can copy that. And basically it says build a full hero section with a fixed background video. And it's basically saying that then smoothly integrate, like use frame motion for user scroll and stuff like that. And I'm also gonna just send that. And before we're improving the rest of the content, let's just do this. So this is the result that we've got just so far. I think it changed some sections to just improve that, but if the rest of the sections are pretty empty, so we're gonna use one simple prompt, which is add few more sections down the page so there's some content until the end of the video. Also use liquid glass for some elements, and let's just send it and see what it comes back with. So this is the result that we got. There are a couple of problems. First, we have content ended, but the scroll still happens. And the second one, the video is not playing smoothly. It is jumping kind of, as you see what I mean. So I prepared a simple prompt. I'm going to say add the content. The content has to scroll down until the end of the page. And I'll say also, click on as the video plays. Also, I didn't mention that, so I'll mention that in next. So let's say the video is not playing smoothly, it kind of jumps, and let's see what it comes back with. For now, this is what we've got, and I don't see really improvements in that, but I guess it's just luck. So let's see what it comes back with. So I ask it to change it from keyframes to actual scroll tied to the video playback. And here's what we've got. You can see beautiful transition from the different sections until the end of our website. And yeah, that was it. Let me know what did you want to learn next. And thank you for watching.